The mean, median, and mode are three fundamental measures of central tendency in statistics, each providing a different perspective on the typical value within a data set. Let's delve into a discussion of each.
So the mean. The mean is just a fancy word for the average of a set of numbers. It is the central value you get when you add all the numbers and divide it by how many numbers there are. It's like finding the fair share if you were to evenly distribute everything.
Moving on, the median is the middle value once datasets are arranged in order. If there's an odd number of values, the median is the single middle one. If even, it's the average of the two middle values. The median gives us a stable sense of the typical value because it's not skewed by extreme highs or lows.
Okay, so now you know the difference between the mean and median. But what about the mode of a dataset? Well, mode is just a technical word for the value in a dataset that occurs more often. The mode is a number that's repeated most often, not how many times it was repeated. If we put an example in a dataset on which each member in a dataset occurs only once, it has no mode. But it's also possible for a dataset to have more than one mode. Let's visualize it through an example.
So, let's have this example. First, we're gonna arrange it from lowest to highest.
So ngayon, na-arrange na natin ang dataset from lowest to highest. Ngayon, hahanapin na natin ang mean. So now, we will find the sum of this dataset and divide it by it to its total number. So na-add na natin lahat ang datasets at ang sum nito ay 338 divided by 21 and the mean is 16.10. So now, let's find the median. So since ang data natin is odd number, so hahanapin na lang natin yung ika-11th place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the median is 17. So the mode is the most repeated number. So as you can see sa sample dataset, the most repeated number is 20 dahil may apat siya. So the mode is 20. And that's all.
And here's another example of mean, median, and mode. Let's arrange the ages from lowest to highest. So, na-arrange natin ang ages of resident in a small town from lowest to highest. So, ang gagawin naman natin is i-compute first ang mean. So, para ma-compute ang mean, i-add natin ang ages 25 to 55, which is 400 ang total. So, ang sunod naman is i-divide naman natin ang total number of dataset, which is 10. So, para ma-compute na to ang mean, 400 divided by 10 equals into 40. Total mean is 40. Ang next naman natin i-compute ay median. Para ma-compute ang median, kailangan natin hanapin ang middle ng ages 25 to 55, which is 40 and 45. So, anong gagawin kapag dalawa ang median? Ang gagawin ay, i-add ang dalawang median mismo equals into 85. At i-compute naman natin to sa dalawa, which is dalawa naman ang median. Divide by 2 equals 42.5. So, ang magiging total median ng data na to is 42.5, which is mahanap mo dito between 40 and 45. And lastly, we should compute the mode, which is the most frequent age appear in the dataset. So the most frequent is 45. So 45 is the mode of this dataset. So there you have it. Mean 40, median 42.5, and mode 45. Simple ways to look at data.
And that's all for our discussion about the measures of central tendency, the mean, median, and mode. Thank you for watching! Bye!